One, two, three. Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning. It's breakfast time. Parang late ako konti tayo'y kakain na for breakfast. Make sure na healthy ang ating kakainin. It's not too late to invest for your health, guys. Let's see kung ano ang aking breakfast. That's my breakfast. Meron tayong raspberry. Meron banana and kiwi. At saka plum. At saka meron tayong bread with peanut butter and with egg. At saka ang pinaka-healthy na drinks natin, that's tea.